speaking of returning to old paths, if you heat with firewood, the normal alternatives are you split by hand with a maul or an axe, and you need to be fit enough and coordinated enough to do that and to sustain it, or you use a gas or electric powered hydraulic splitter and you split wood the noisy, slow way that requires a lot of maintenance, parts, and fuel, upkeep, cost,
and fuel,
oil, spark plugs, clogged carburetors, all of those things. There is an alternative though, and it's called a manual or a kinetic log splitter. And I spent 7 years designing this log splitter, and essentially it's like being able to split wood with a 95-pound splitting maul. Normally they're like 8 pounds, but this one is 95 pounds worth in that splitting head, but you're not having to lift all that weight, and you're not having to aim it either. You're simply guiding it up and down and allowing the momentum of all that weight to crack its way through your firewood. And a car suspension spring that can get out of a wrecking yard lifts that weight, holds it in suspension. The rigid frame holds it so that the axe strikes in the same exact place on the splitting table as always. It also has an elevated and fully adjustable work table surface, so you can stand upright the whole time you're splitting firewood, and it's just a great all-around way to split your firewood. Safer, faster, and really nice and quiet as well. Because you build it yourself, you know how to fix it if it breaks, but it is way less prone to breaking because there's very few moving parts and very little complication, and it's all just old school physics and really heavy construction that will hold up and last for a long time, even generations.
Yeah. And if you don't know how to weld and don't have the time, then you can go ahead and have someone do it for you.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Because we want people to be able to do it.
Everybody has that person they know in their friend circle or relatives, an uncle or a cousin or a brother or whatever, who is always tinkering in the shop and has a welder and loves projects. You can connect with somebody like that, partner with them, and make an agreement of, hey, I'll buy the plans if you will build this for me. It's very thorough step-by-step plans of mechanical style drawings that anyone can read. It's not just for engineers, it's for just everyday people, that can find their way around the shop and know how to do some basic stuff. So you can partner with them, they can help you build it, and then the two of you can share the machine. I made it to be portable with an axle and very large tires on it, so you can carefully tow it behind a vehicle or easily roll it up onto a highway rated trailer and take it over to your friend's house or your neighbor's property or the back 40. I especially made it so that you could hook it up to your four-wheeler or side-by-side, take it out to the back of your property right to where your wood is, so you can process stuff up. You can also make it a stationary model without the wheels, to just, if you don't want to round up those extra parts or have a simpler, faster build, you can build a stationary model, always with the option of converting it to a mobile towable version at a later date. So anyway, check that out at paulbunyanwoodchopper.com.